So here's how you can empty the iCloud storage on the iPad. Let's get started. If this is your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. When it comes to the files and the iCloud drive, like, those actual files you have on iCloud, you can open up the Files app, and in the left section where you have the locations, you can go from the local storage, which is called on my iPad, to the iCloud drive, and you can delete whatever you want in here to free up or empty the iCloud drive storage if that's what you are going after. If not, if you want like a general approach, you can also find iCloud by going to the settings, tapping on your profile, and at the top and going to the iCloud section where you can see the storage situation and you can see what exactly is taking up the storage. So similarly, when you check out your local storage of the iPad, you also get the breakdown for the iCloud. So you see that photos are likely taking up a lot of storage or some random backups, right? And you have it all listed below. So you can basically decide if you want to keep those things or not. For example, I can go to backups and decide that I no longer need those backups and I can free up this amount of storage, right? So that's something which you can do. Or if you go to the photos, you can also manage it kind of like, turn it off and then delete all of the photos from iCloud and you're going to free up more storage. So it depends, right? Obviously for free, we only get 5 gigabytes. So not much can really fit there. If you want to back up photos, this is not ideal. For free, it's only good to sync like messages and notes and stuff like that, but not really photos. So of course you can always upgrade and pay more as a subscription for more storage, but that is only if you want to do it. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. I would really appreciate your feedback in the comments below. Let me know if it worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully get to see you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.